Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now we see question number 4. If tan A equal to cot B, where A and B are acute angles, prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Here you see this is the if condition. It can be considered completely. So here let us start solving this problem. Given tan A is equal to cot B. Now here two chances. You can convert tan A in terms of cot A, or you convert cot B in terms of tan B. Is it clear? So here can you tell me what is the formula of tan A? Tan A can be written as cot 90 degrees minus A. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
You use this formula, or you can use cot B. Cot B can be written as tan 90 degrees minus B. So you should use only one, either this formula or that formula. So for understanding, let us write here this formula, or let us change cot B in terms of tan B, that is tan of 90 degrees minus B. So you can use any one of these formulas, but you do remember that do not use together. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now here I would like to change tan A in terms of cot, that is cot of 90 degrees minus A is equal to cot B. I am not going to change. So when you apply this formula, then do not apply this formula. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
When you apply this formula, then don't use it. Now let us write the cot B as it is, because here we are making both the ratios equal. It is cot 90 minus A is equal to cot B. Just imagine that cot get cancelled. Now here what is left here? 90 degrees minus A is equal to B. Let us send minus A that side. So minus A becomes plus A. So here A plus B is equal to, here what is there? 90 degrees. Now here you observe what is there to prove. Prove that.
A plus B is equal to 90 degrees.
What we proved here.
A plus B is equal to 90 degrees.
So here we can write hence proved. With this problem 4 gets completed. Now we see problem number 5. If A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that tan of A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. Now here let us start solving this problem. Here you see the given clue is that A, B and C are the interior angles of a triangle. So let us start with that. Given A, B and C are the interior angles of triangle ABC. So by angle sum property, what can we say? A plus B plus C is equal to 180. So let us write now A, in fact is angle A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. This is what? Since by angle sum property of a triangle. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now you just observe what we need to show. Tan of A plus B by 2 equal to cot C by 2. So first let us send the C that side. So that here what is required? A plus B is required. A plus B will be one side. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So now here A plus B is equal to 180 degrees minus C. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now let us do, again you see we need to do by 2 both the sides. So divide by 2. So divide both the sides. Divide both the sides by 2. Now here let us write this as a plus b by 2, but here we are going to split 2 for the both. So let us write 180 degrees by 2. 180 degrees by 2 minus c by 2. Clear? Now here what will happen? Let us write a plus b by 2 as it is. 180 by 2 is, here cancellation, 2 how much are 180? 90 degrees. So here we can write this as 90 degrees minus c by 2. Now here you observe, which ratio is required here? Tan. So let us apply tan theta both the sides. Is it clear? Now here apply tan both the sides. Now here tan of a plus b by 2 is equal to tan of 90 degrees minus c by 2. Is it clear? We have a formula. The formula is that tan of 90 degrees minus theta can be written as cot theta. Using this formula, let us change this tan of 90 minus c by 2 as cot c by 2. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And LHS let us write as it is. That is tan of a plus b by 2. Now here you see, you read the question. What is there in the question? Show that tan of a plus b by 2 is equal to cot c by 2. So here you see, tan of a plus b by 2 is equal to cot c by 2. Hence proved. With this problem 5 gets completed. Now we see question number 6. Express sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of the angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. Here you understand the question that we need to express the given value in terms of trigonometric ratios. But in fact, those are trigonometric ratios only. But the question is that these angles are to be in between 0 and 45. See, 75, is it in between 0 and 45? No, it is more than 45. Is it clear? 65 degrees, is it in between 0 and 45 degrees?
No, sir.
No, it is more than 45 degrees. That means here we need to change these two values, which will be in between these two, 0 and 45 degrees. Is it clear? That means here, simple way, we need to write their complementary angles. That's all. We have to write these angles, complementary angles for the given angles. Is it clear? Now let us start now. Let us write the given expression. Given sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees. Is it clear? Now let us write sin as it is. Sin of 75 degrees can be written as 90 degrees minus, how much is that? 15 degrees. Is it clear? 90 minus 15 is 75. Is it clear? Now here let us write the cos as it is. 65 degrees can be written as 90 degrees minus 25 degrees. It is 25 degrees. 90 minus 25 is 65. 90 minus 15 is 75. Is there any doubt in this step?
No, sir.
Now here we are going to apply the formula. That is sin of 90 degrees minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta formula is cos theta. Clear? And one more formula is also there. That is, and another formula is cos 90 minus theta can be written as sin theta. Now here, based on these two formulas, we are going to move for the next step. That is, here sin 90 minus theta. Here theta is how much? 15 degrees. That is cos theta. Means here what will come? Cos 15 degrees. This is cos 15 degrees. Plus, right? Cos 90 minus theta. Here theta is 25 degrees. Cos 90 minus theta formula is sin theta. So here sin theta means 25 degrees. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Do we know the value of cos 15 degrees? We don't know. Sin 25 also? We don't know. So we can leave the problem here. And you just see whether we got the answer or not. We are asked to express this one in terms of the trigonometric ratios of angles. The angle should be between 0 and 45. You check once. Is 15 between 0 and 45 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Is 25 between 0 and 45 or not?
Yes, sir.
So with this, the problem 6 gets completed. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.